Hey man, what happened?
It's so boring.
It's boring?
Yeah, it's always science, social, Hindi, English.
So tough. Hmm. Can we have a bagless day?
Wow, sounds good.
But whom shall we ask?
Come, let's ask our HMM.
May we get in, ma'am?
Yes, please, come in. What's Srijin?
Ma'am, it's a small request.
What request?
Ma'am, can we have one bagless day?
Bagless day? It's not possible. I can give you 1 day bookless day.
And please, ma'am.
What, please?
Please.
Okay, let me talk to your PE teachers and then I'll come back to you.
Ma'am has agreed.